Good day, guys. So today we are going to tackle how to solve linear programming, specifically Simplex method and transportation using Excel QM. But first, I'll show you where can you download the Excel QM for free. So as you can see on the screen, this is the link that I use to download Excel QM. After clicking, uh, you will arrive in this window. Then after that, you just press this download. And so after pressing, you will press this one, POMQMV. Then it will start downloading. But since I already downloaded, let's proceed now to Excel QM. Ayan, so welcome to Excel QM. So today, we are going to tackle two linear problems or LP problems, which is Simplex method and transportation. So here is the problem. So furniture company produces tables and chairs. Each table brings in a profit of 70 pesos, while each chair brings in a profit of 50 pesos. So the production of these items is limited by two resources. So the company has only 120 units of food and 160 hours of labor available. So question, how many tables and chairs should the company produce to maximize profit without exceeding its resources limit? So our profit is tables equals to 70 pesos and chairs is equals to 50 pesos, and our three constraints. Since the question is maximize, so we are going to maximization. You will see the constraints, the right hand side, and the equation. So let's go back to the equation. Yan. So after, we will just click enter. Enter. Yan. So there will be a option that will pop out. Since we want to look for the linear programming results, so let's click here. Yan. So after clicking the enter, the LP problem solution will appear. So since we've come up with the optimal solution, so the linear programming or QM, Excel QM stated that it would take 20 tables and 30 chairs to come up with 2,900 profit. Yan. As you can see in the description, based on the linear programming model, the optimal production plan is to produce 20 tables and 30 chairs. This allocation maximizes profit while staying within the available wood and labor constraint. The maximum profit achievable under this condition is 2,900 pesos. So these results demonstrate how the Simplex LP method in Excel Solver helps decision makers determine the best possible solution to maximize objectives while considering resources limitation. Okay, so the next one is transportation. So we will just click transportation. There you go. So the problem is a company has two warehouses that supply products to 3 retail stores. So the supply and demand are as follows. So the question is, how should the company ship its products from the 2 warehouses to the 3 stores so that all demands are met while minimizing the total transportation. So in this part, it will be different since the first part is maximization, while in this part, we will do minimization. So the number of sources, which is the warehouse, is 2. Then the destinations, which are the demands, are 3. Then minimize. Then press OK. For the store 1 is 4. Then for the store 2 is 6. And 8. Then for the supply is 35. The next is from warehouse 2, store 1 is 5. Warehouse 2, store 2 is 4. Then the supply for warehouse 2, store 3 is 3. Then the supply for warehouse 2 is 20. Then the demand for store 1 is 30. Then demand for 25 for store 2. Then store 3 is 30 demand. Yan, so as follows, we will just click the enter. Then the answer will pop up. There you go. There will be a pop-up option, which is transportation results, marginal cost, final solution table, iteration, shipments with cost, and shipping list. So based on the XLQM, the optimal solution for this problem, or for this minimizing the total transportation cost, it will be $320, where source 1 will deliver 30 units to store 1, and source 2 to destination 2 or store 2 to 20 units, then 5 units for source 1. And for 3, destination 3, source 2, it will be delivered by 30 units to come up with the optimal solution. That's all. Thank you for watching my short video tutorial on how to use XLQM using linear programming, specifically Simplex and transportation method. Hope you enjoyed and learned something, and see you on the next video.